Hi again, writers. Thanks for sharing the books you've been working on. This week, I learned all about dinosaurs, cars, swimming, and making things. I feel like I've learned so much thanks to you. I have some books in my Moon folder because I finished working on them. So I went back to my list to try and think about what I want to write about next. Now, I already wrote all about plants and all about dogs, so I was thinking about what I might write next. I was thinking of writing all about table tennis, but then I had an idea. I thought instead of writing a book all about table tennis, I could teach my readers how to play table tennis. That gave me an idea. I thought I could make a new list with all the things I want to teach someone else how to do. I know how to play table tennis. I also know how to play the piano. I know how to make a delicious sandwich, a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Let me think. What else do I know how to do? I know how to read a book. I know how to dance. I know how to give my dog a bath. Those are so many ideas. I better start writing them down in my list before I forget. My list is ready. I want to teach others how to ... play table tennis, play the piano, make a sandwich, read a book, dance, give a dog a bath. I also drew illustrations. Oh, look at my movement lines to show that I'm dancing. To help my readers. You may choose to write the words or draw pictures. When you're making your list, you could use bullet points. That's a nonfiction feature. Think about things that you know really well and want to teach others how to do. Rehearse those ideas using your fingers and then go make your list. When you're done, take a photo of your list and share it with us on Seesaw. Happy writing!